Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again friends. As you may recall, Microsoft has made efforts to add the ability to use the built-in spell checker in Windows in Chromium-based browser. First introduced in Chrome Canary, this new feature has finally reached Microsoft Edge Chromium. Microsoft team has made the native Windows Spellchecker available in Windows 10 and Windows 8 available in the Chromium-based browser in addition to the default Hunspell Spellchecker. The Hunspell Spellchecker is an open-source project that powers many other products mostly popular on Linux, such as LibreOffice, Geany, Pidgin, and many others. In this guide, you'll learn the steps to enable Windows Spellchecker in Chromium version of Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Chromium Edge and type the following path into the address bar of Edge. Next, enable the flag to use the Windows OS Spellchecker and relaunch the browser. The ability to use the native spellchecker of Windows is still an experimental feature, so it may have usability and stability issues. That's why it is hidden behind a flag.